Hey everybody, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing and looking into the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this product and we're also going to look into some of its features. Let's get right into it. Alright, so I've just finished signing into my Google account. So now it tells us to connect to our mobile network. So download your eSIM or insert a SIM card now. So what we're going to do is skip for now. Skip setting up your mobile network. If you skip this step, you won't be connected to a mobile network. You can connect later by adding a SIM in settings. So we're just going to press skip. So now we're going to set a PIN. So for now purposes, which I'll change, I'm just going to do, let's see, 5452, and we'll press next. Re-enter 5452, confirm. So I'm not going to be using this pin, obviously, seeing this is being uploaded on YouTube, but it's just a practice, like a test. So set up fingerprint unlock, how it works. You're in control, you can delete fingerprint images, Keep in mind your phone can be unlocked when you don't intend to and all that. So we're going to press I agree. So now I reckon, so we just have to press this. So it's a bit of a hefty process for me. So it's time to lift, touch, lift, touch. There we go. Now we're going to press next. Set up face unlock. Keep in mind, if you normally wear eyeglasses, you can wear them during setup. We're just going to do no thanks for now. So now we have copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer apps, photos, contacts and more. I'm just going to do no copy, don't copy for now. So now we have these Google services and such which we can consent to, so use location on, off and all that. We'll press accept. Limited warranty. To view your limited warranty, select a country where you bought this device. The device is also available at settings, about phone, limited warranty and google.co/device warranty. So we're going to press Australia and you can see all this info. If you do United States and English and United States Spanish, same thing, just in those areas. So next, continue setup, keep going to get your device fully set up or leave for now. Press continue. So get things done hands-free with assistance. We'll do I agree. Teach your assistant to recognize your voice. I agree. Okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. There we go. Check how fast with your phone. We're going to do skip for now. So we can also choose to do get instant translations, identify music around you, set up always on display, control info on lock screen, prepare for an emergency, change how text displays, add another email or Gmail account, review additional apps. We'll do no thanks. Stay up to date. Yes, I'm in. Just a few moments. So now it's setting up our Google Pixel. Getting your phone ready, this may take a few minutes. And swipe to navigate. Let's just do try it. So there we go. So we also have switch apps. There we go. And all set, you're ready to start using your device. And there we go. Our Google Pixel 8 Pro has been all set up and is ready for use. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get out there, go try out its magic eraser and all those other features, and we're going to have a basic review and see how good they are based on their advertisements and compared to other phones like the iPhone 14, 13 and such. So thanks for watching that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and learned something off of it. If so, please remember to leave a like and subscribe as it really helps grow this channel. Feel free to leave any feedback or suggestions in the comments down below as well. So once again, thanks for watching that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and learned something off of it. Please remember to leave a like, subscribe and comment what you'd like to see in the future. I'll see you guys next time.